Quick YouTube video. When you're 570, it's got key on power like that, but when you go to turn it, it won't start. Easy fix. I couldn't figure it out. You come down here to your fuse panel box. It's gonna be that 20 amp right there, mini fuse. It says right on the back, light/start. Chances are it's probably broken half, just like mine, and that was causing it not to start. Dose.